Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tiara Rahmalia from Accounting 3C class and I am number 26. In this opportunity, I would like to presentation about my final project of proposal with the title Analysis of the Effectiveness and Contribution of Rural and Urban Land and Building Tax to Regional Tax in Semarang District. My presentation is divided into 5 parts, that is 4 parts, that is background, literature review, research methodology, and writing system. First, background. In line with this, regional government is the implementation of government affairs by regional government and regional people representative council according to the principle of autonomy and co-administration with the principle of broad autonomy within the system and principle of the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia. Regional tax and regional levy. Regional tax are mandatory contribution to region owed by individuals or entities that are coercive based on law, by not getting compensation directly and used for the purpose of area for the greatest prosperity of the people. The next topic is of the problem. What is the effective level of achievement and contribution of rural and urban land and building tax revenue? 2. What is the analysis of the level of effective and achievement and contribution of rural and urban land and building tax revenue to regional tax revenue of Semarang Regency? The next topic is the purpose of the research. To calculate the effective level of achievement and contribution of rural and urban land and building tax revenue Semarang Regency. 2. To analyze the effective level of achievement and contribution of rural and urban land and building tax revenue to regional tax revenue of Semarang Regency. And the benefit. This research is expected to be able to add knowledge and insight as well as implement the theory and knowledge gained while taking lecture at the D3 Accounting Study Program, especially regarding tax accounting. B. This research is expected to be additional information and can be used as a consideration for company in determining policy and decision making in the future. C. The results of this study are expected to be used as reference material or additional information and reference for those who wish to conduct research with the same regarding rural and urban land and building tax. The next topic is literature review about tax. Tax are mandatory contribution to the state owed by individuals or entities that are coercive by law, by not receiving direct compensation and used for the needs of state for the great benefit of the people. Local tax. Regional tax are obligatory contribution to the region that are owed by individual or entities that are coercive based on law, by not receiving direct compensation and used for the needs of the region for the great prosperity of the people. Rural and urban land and building tax. Rural and urban land and building tax is a tax that is material in nature. in the sense that the amount of tax payable is determined by the condition of the object, namely land and/or buildings. Next, research methodology. 1. Data classification. The data classification in this research are data type according to their nature, type of data according of the source. 2. Method of collecting data. The method of collecting data that used in this research are documentation and interview. And the last is a writing method. The writing method that used in the research are description and exposition. Okay, I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.